What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this one we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the new Samsung Galaxy A52 5G. So let's begin with the video now. So welcome to Search Tech. Our mission is to help you get the most out of your tech through reviews and tutorials. If that's something you're interested in, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell to get notified when we release a new video. And there's going to be useful links below in the description covering everything that we discuss in this video. With that being said, let's get right into it. So first up, we will be dividing this video in the following sections. We're going to have first of all the unboxing of the device, then we're going to have the specs, the sign, display, camera, and lastly if you should buy it. So let's begin. Alright, so here we have the Galaxy A52 5G, and before we unbox this, let's take a look at everything around. For example, we have a picture of the product right here. Then we're going to have the name on the sides as usual, and some specifications in the back of the device. So now in order to open up this box, we need to remove some of these stickers, so let's do that. And here we have it, very easy to open, and our device is going to show up right here up front. So let's take a look at it. It does have a plastic back from what I can tell from here, so let me take this off the device. There we have it. So here's the device. Yeah, it is definitely a plastic back and probably aluminum frame, but now let's put it aside and take a look at everything that is inside this box. So first up right here, we're going to have the charging cube as usual, so we can plug it in, and we are going to have our charging cable right here as well. Let me take a look under. There isn't really anything, but there should be a manual with terms and conditions as well somewhere around these boxes. So let's take a look at the other one, and here we have it. So let's take it out and then let's open this up and see everything that comes inside it. Of course, we're gonna have the SIM tray ejector right here at the back, and then as soon as I open this, we have the quick reference guide and everything that we need to know about our device. So now that we have opened everything on the box, I believe we are ready to start talking about the specs of the new Samsung Galaxy A52. Alright, so if we talk about the specs, the new Samsung Galaxy A52 has a display of 6.5-inch FHD AMOLED display with a 1080 by 2400. It has a refresh rate of either 60Hz or 120Hz. The chipset is Snapdragon 750G, and it has a 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The rear cameras are 64 megapixels for the main one, 12 megapixels for the ultra-wide lens, and 5 megapixels for the macro lens. It also has a 5 megapixel depth sensor. And as far as our front camera, it is going to be of 32 megapixels. The operating system of the device is Android 11 with One UI 3.0. And it has a battery of 4500 mAh, and it does have IP67 water and dust resistance. So if we talk about the design, the Galaxy A52 5G is designed to have a solid build without the bells and whistles you'll find on flagship smartphones. For that reason, you may feel the build of the handset is a touch cheap with its plastic rear and aluminum frame. It doesn't feel as premium as Samsung's top-end phones, but it feels durable enough in the hand that we didn't dislike the smartphone's build. This isn't a small device either, given its 6.5-inch display. The phone comes in 4 colors, and 2 of them are particularly bold and bright, and your options are going to be black, white, blue, or violet. The handset is also IP67 certified dust and water resistant. And when it comes about the display, that display uses Super AMOLED and has a full HD plus resolution. I also found that 800 nits of the brightness to look fantastic when I turned the screen all the way up to its maximum brightness setting. If you're looking for a smartphone to watch videos on, you're unlikely to be disappointed on this display. The exact resolution is 1080 by 2400, which is equal a pixel of density of 407 pixels per inch, so you will likely find this satisfactory, but it won't compare to QHD smartphone screen like older Galaxy S series models. One of the big upgrades from previous Galaxy A phones is the introduction of a 120Hz display, which is a feature usually reserved for flagship handsets. This essentially means the image on your screen refreshes faster than most of other smartphones, which gives it a smoother experience when scrolling through social media or playing mobile games. Now we go over the camera. There is a powerful 64 megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization and an aperture of 1.8, and that's only one of 4 elements on the radar shooter 2. There is also the 12 megapixel ultra wide, the 5 megapixel depth scanner, and the 5 megapixels macro camera. The most impressive part of the camera is its main shooter, which I found delivered images with lots of details, and lighting wasn't often an issue when shooting with the main rear camera either. The images were quite saturated, but this is typical of Samsung's smartphone cameras. On the front, there is a 32 megapixel selfie camera inside that punch hole in top of the center of the screen, and I found selfie shots to be satisfactory, and it was useful for video calls as well. So I would be surprised if you had any issues with the camera quality on the front of the phone. Now to the very last question, should you buy it? And my answer is yes. The 6.5-inch screen on the Galaxy A52 is built to look great when you're watching video or playing games. The resolution is good, so that means there is notably good detail, and 120Hz makes it comparable to flagship alternatives. The battery life on the Galaxy A52 is also built to last a full day, and if you're looking for a phone that is capable of that, you'll find it right here. The 5G connectivity is still a rarity in cheaper smartphones, so if you're desperate to get started with super speedy internet, you'll want to consider the Galaxy A52 5G as your next smartphone. Alright everyone, so that was it for today's video. If you got some valuable information out of it, please don't forget to give it a like and also leave a comment down below on what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications every time we post a new video. And as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one.